Introducing the new Big Ben Anchor Tester, which allows engineers to verify the safe holding power of anchors in various construction materials. The Big Ben Anchor Tester comes with a quick change adapter for M16 threaded applications and a solid steel clevis for the testing of eye bolts. These are a quick change type requiring no tools for easy in-field use, and once fitted are held captive within the unit, reducing the risk of them falling from height. The tester is fitted with a class-leading, easy-read, glycerine-filled gauge for increased accuracy and a rubber case for added durability in harsh working environments. The kit comes with a calibration certificate, a certificate of conformity and full operation instructions. It is supplied in a durable carry case with a pre-cut high-density foam infill to keep the components safe whilst in transport or storage. The printing on the case is also reflective for added safety on site. In addition to the carry handle and adjustable shoulder strap, there are also document pockets on the front and rear panels. These can be used for ID tags for transport or when returning the tester for calibration, with no extra packaging required, making it an environmental safe and cost-effective solution for transportation and use. The Big Ben Tester comes with several adjustable features to allow ease of use in restricted access or uneven test areas. Here we see the handle and dial can be adjusted a full 360 degrees and locked in position with the supplied Allen key. For edge or corner testing, where the standard handle is not suitable due to restricted access, an alternative hex drive nut and combination ratchet handle are included. This allows testing to be completed easily and in a timely manner without the need to carry extra tooling whilst on site. With all these great features in a single self-contained testing kit, the Big Ben Anchor Tester is the all-in-one solution for your fixed point testing needs.